Hey class, for our phonics today, we're going to focus on the short E, short O, and short U sounds that the vowels O, E, and U make. And remember, all of our spelling words this week have the short O, short E, or short U sound, like yes, job, hum. Those are some of our spelling words that have those sounds in them, those letters and those sounds in them. So we're going to listen to these little videos, and when the person in the video is talking, you're going to be saying the sound along with them. So let's start the first one. It is the short E sound, as in elephant.
Elephant. Elephant starts with a short E sound. Listen. Elephant. The letter E can stand for the short E sound. Together, let's say the sound, and then name this letter that stands for it. E.
E.
E. What is the first sound in elephant? Short E. What is the first spelling you see for E? Now look at the next spelling. When is not the first sound in a word or syllable, the letters E-A together can stand for
So let's make the E sound one more time. E, A. Now we're going to look at the letter U.
Umbrella. Umbrella starts with a short U sound. Listen. Umbrella. The letter U can stand for the short U sound. Together, let's say the sound, and then name the letter that stands for it. U. U. What is the first sound in umbrella? Short U. What letter stands for U?
Great job. Let's practice that one more time. The letter U, So now we're going to look at the letter O.
Octopus. Octopus starts with the short O sound. Listen. Octopus. The letter O can stand for the short O sound. Together, let's say the sound, and then name the letter that stands for it. O. What is the first sound in octopus? Short O. What letter stands for O?
So let's do the letter O. O is A. O, A. So now that you have that down, I want you to click to the next slide, and there's a little activity for you to do where you drag the letters into the correct column if they have a short O, short E, or short U sound. So good luck.